Hey everybody, it's Chef Bhima here again from Rasa Vegan Seitan, and today we have a classic vegan recipe for you all. Vegan seitan steak with mashed potatoes and a stir fry. A classic turned vegan. Oh yes, let's do it guys. Okay guys, I'd just like to tell you a bit more about seitan. So seitan, it's actually made from wheat gluten, and it was originated in China. The Chinese used to honor this as mock meats, and they've been using it for their tradition since time immemorial, since we actually have historical evidence of them using wheat gluten for meat replacements. So now we're gonna mash the potatoes to make our nice creamy mash. This is our plant-based milk which we add into the potatoes. Okay, this is parsley, dried parsley herbs that we're adding. Some salt and some pepper. Mix it all up. Alright guys, so we had the finished product. Now we're gonna just cut up our vegan seitan steak and plate it. Have a look at that. Hey everybody, it's Chef Bhima here again, and we got our finished product, the vegan seitan steak with mashed potatoes and stir fry, and we just love serving high protein meals and showing you how powerful it is and how simple it is. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more.